an engineer here at Autohive, and I've been working on some pretty cool things lately. The way I put it is, you as a person, you get your own computer. You've got a laptop or a desktop. Agents on Autohive didn't really have that before, so now they do, and they can basically do whatever you could do on your computer on their own computer. Become a lot more expressive with what it can create. So making PDFs, presentations, artifacts in general will be a lot nicer, and the agent will be a lot more capable of doing anything you really ask them to do. Nothing really changes for you as you look at Autohive. The agents will just become a lot more smarter, a lot more capable, and even more efficient. So on my screen here, I have this general agent that I gave my Spotify listing data export to. I then asked for a summary of what is some deep cuts, what is some stuff that I'd like to learn about myself on the Spotify listing data, and it was able to take a look at all my data and then create a artifact here on the side, which is pretty cool. It shows all my listing information for the last 10 or so years. So agents would previously have a little bit of trouble trying to do this sort of thing. You'd have to add the code analysis integration for it to even be able to read a zip. But now all that complexity, the agent just can do. It can open up that zip, look at all my data, and it can just give you answers to your questions in a much more fluent and easy way. Creative agents, getting media into artifacts much easier, as well as making the computer that your agent uses have access to the integrations that you already have authorized. If you log into Autohive right now, that system is live and your agents are already using it.